What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the graphics card is not detected on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. First one, just go over here, search for the system configuration, and you have to click on this one. And right now from here over here in the general, make sure that you set this to normal. Over here in the startup selection, this should be normal startup selection should be selected. And once you select this one, go for OK, and that is what you have to do as the first step. Sometimes this might be on diagnostic startup or the selective startup, so just change this one to normal startup and go for OK, and that's what you have to try. Next one is all about we need to afterwards try doing a restart on a system, then you have to check. Next one, go over here, search for the device manager, and you have to click on this one and go over here at the top, click on display adapters over here. Now we need to right click on this one and also just go over here in the action. Now from here, if you click on the action, you can see there is an option for scan for hardware changes. Click on this one, then you have to right click on this one, then go for update driver. You can go over here for scan for update driver. Then what we need to just update your driver, search automatically for drivers and make sure the graphics card is up to date. Most probably trying these, the issue might be fixed. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here, search for on the Google Chrome, search for the download latest graphics card NVIDIA. Over here, search for NVIDIA graphics card, so that it will be driver taken to this particular folder. Just get into this. Now from here, you have to download the latest versions. You can search here for everything. For example, you can search the product type can be selected, or from here GeoForce, the product series can be selected. Everything can be selected from here. Then you need to download and install it. That's what you have to try. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.